I'm going to take one more sample to try and resolve some of these inconsistencies between the other two. See which sample is right, perhaps. And list it. Take all the data. It's the breakdown. Let's see what we can conclude. You can see that, okay, overall yield now, it's gone up by about from 90 to 80. Gosh, it's gone up by almost 90. So overall yield has got by female-headed households. Yeah, I've gone far better, and men have done. Oh, both men and women have done quite a lot better. Oh, let's use the same phrase. And up by males was up by about 50. And males versus females. Males versus females, but in 1975 women were about 80 behind. Oh no. Yeah, sorry. 1975 women were nearly far behind, nearly 200 behind, 150 behind, and here they're slightly behind. So basically that's the same as that result. Proportions. Female-headed households 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5 out of 20, which is a quarter. 25%. And illiterate households 2, 3. Or 5. So comparing, there's a consistent story. Everything says it's going up, but is it going up by 20 or 40 or 90? Female-headed households, that agrees. All the surveys say that females are growing a lot more than they used to. Male-headed households, we have some results are almost no change. Some say they've decreased, some say they've gone up. So completely inconsistent over what's happened to male production. Male versus female-headed households also similar. Two of them say that men were ahead and now behind. Two of them said that men were far ahead and now only slightly ahead. One of them says that men are now well behind. So that's inconsistent as well. Then looking at proportions, female-headed household proportion could be 20%, could be 15%, could be 25%. Illiterate households, a bit more consistent, could be 10% or 15%. So a problem is that because we only ever do one survey, one sample, how do we know that we would not just get a different result the next day with a different sample? And how do we know that these figures here correspond to the whole population, which is what we're really interested in? So which of these samples, if any of them, is a good guide to the whole population? That's the question.